You have probably heard of Google because it is one of the largest corporations in the world and because millions of people use it every day to read, watch movies, and visit websites. But did you realize that a straightforward Google strategy could bring in a sizable sum of money? A small group of people use this covert method to secretly bank $2,000 or even $5,000. You might also gain from using this little-known Google trick since I'm about to divulge and expose everything to you in this video. You can do it if you have a smartphone, computer, and an internet connection. I'll even give you access to a totally free tool you can use to increase your revenue if you watch the video through to the end. It's very exciting, so let's get going. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's now begin the video. You can also just click this button, scroll down and choose the news logo. But the first step is to go to Google and search for the term Google News. Simply clicking on it will direct you to this Google News page. You'll observe that Google has uploaded a vast range of news stories. As you can see, Google will now make an effort to categorize all of the news into the most well-liked categories. A few examples are business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. These are the topics that viewers prefer to see the most. Assume for the moment that clicking the health section will lead me to a website with the most recent information on the health category. As we advance to the next round, please choose one of these articles. You can choose any because they are all completed in a very professional manner. Let's just say that if I enjoy this article, I may click on this link to get to the original article. The magic happens here, and this is the sum total of the knowledge on this product. It is feasible to use Google News and utilize other people's articles, and we can make money doing so. Suppose I decide to copy this entire paragraph and click the copy button because I enjoy this article. I want you to go to spinbot.com as we process the step number 2. Use this free program and app to spin articles and alter text. The concept behind this is straightforward, and there are only 2 boxes on their website. In box number 1, where you can type text to rewrite the articles, we'll paste the entire paragraph along with the individual articles just by clicking the Go button as I scroll down below. I can use this software to automatically rewrite the entire paragraph and article into brand new, unique material. Therefore, all you have to do to rewrite the entire text into a new article with just one button click is to click the I'm not a robot button and then click Go. Some of you are already aware of this strategy's potency. You can use Google's features, particularly Google News, to find a variety of current topics and articles that have been expertly written by others and are extensively read. Moving on, we may totally rewrite the articles using Spinbot and the power of AI technology. We can make a lot of money with the aid of this recent essay, notably through PayPal, bank transfers, and other payment options. Step 3 involves visiting many websites to get compensated after you've successfully rewritten a few articles. The more websites you sign up for, the more money you can earn. I've already shown you 3 different websites, so make sure to watch the entire video to learn about them all. We will now visit TextBroker.com, which is the first website. You should select I write material from the homepage menu, followed by payment. They will then demonstrate your potential earnings and your range of compensation after that. Depending on the caliber of your articles, they will rate you between 2 and 5 stars, and the rating will determine how much you are paid per word. Just to reiterate, you don't have to write any of your articles, and neither do you require any prior writing experience nor technical know-how. All you have to do is follow this easy plan. Visit Google News and search for straightforward, expertly written articles that have been produced by others. You can then get compensated by Google by utilizing Spinbot to entirely rewrite the articles. Anyone can complete this. When employing high-quality Google content, you should currently be able to get ratings of about 4 to 5 stars, and you can get paid between 1.4 and 5 cents per word for that. Let's say you get a rating of 5 stars for quality, which is straightforward to achieve if you base your evaluation on Google articles. You may then calculate how much money you can make based on the word code. Let's take a 2,100 word article as an example. This implies that a single article could earn you about $105 in total. This is undoubtedly one of the simplest ways to notice users to apply this strategy to make some easy money online. What if a lengthy article is available? One with 5,000 words or more, for instance, will pay up to $255. There are several items in Google News, therefore, you can combine several of them into one. For instance, you can see that there are a ton of similar topics in this particular health area. Combining 2 or 3 articles into one post will raise the word count. As you can see, many of the themes in Google News are related. Therefore, it is simple to combine 3, 5, or even up to 5 different articles into one. The article's word count can then be easily increased to make additional money on this platform. I'll show you 2 more places where you may submit articles written by others and get paid. So make sure to keep watching, because I'll say it again. Here are a few reasons to sign up with TextBroker. Here, registration is completely free, and you have complete control over your schedule. You are free to submit as many articles as you want, and you will be paid each week. You can begin paying out into your account and receiving a weekly reward once you have earned $10. Let's go on the second website, iWriter.com, where you can earn money only for submitting articles. These are the 5 basic steps for getting paid. In the first stage, you can make a free account. You must choose which categories to concentrate on, what types of materials to produce in step 2. You can choose from any of these well-known subjects like business, technology, entertainment, and so forth. In step 3, you can submit your articles. In step 4, they will be reviewed. When they are accepted, which is step 5, they will pay you the money. They're going to provide you a really commendable salary. Depending on the bundles that customers are buying, you can generate a range of earnings. Now think about the most well-liked package. For instance, you can anticipate to make about $66 on average and about $4.70 for every 150 words if you produce an article of about 3,000 words. The good news is that you can be considered for the Elite Plus category if you offer particularly high-quality products, like those from Google News. You can see that for up to 3,000 words, you can make $217.50. Again, you are free to submit the identical articles to iWriter.com and TextBroker.com using the same content. You might make money from numerous separate income streams from just one article if you register for several websites. It is open to nationals of all countries, and registration is free for everyone worldwide. Next, let's visit Scripted.com, the third website. Any articles you write for this website will be compensated. Simply click the Become a Writer button up top to finish. That will take you to this page, where you may send your resume and apply to work as a freelancer for Scripted. You have many possibilities for your line of work once more. The fact that Google and Google News cover the hottest and trendiest subject that people want to know about, such as technology, entertainment, science, and even health, is precisely why they have such a significant influence. They will continue to be updated daily because there are so many resources, news items, and articles available. I try my best to share the most recent and cutting-edge technologies with you because no one else is talking about this strategy, which inspires me to do my best. Using the AI program Spinbot, you may fully rewrite the articles into new account. And because it is so fantastic and user-friendly, anyone may begin utilizing it. The payment is once again guaranteed. On this service, you may choose your own fee and get paid right away, 15 days after your project is approved. You can charge a lot more than on the 2 websites before. A 3,000-word post on the first website, TextBroker, can bring in about $160. At the second website, iWriter, where you may earn up to $217 for a 3,000-word piece, you can earn even more money. On the website Scripted, you may almost double your earnings and make up to $300 from a single article. They pay you handsomely and allow you to work from anywhere. They currently accept visitors from more than 20 nations. The Apply Now button is the only thing you need to do to complete the registration process and bring you to this page. To make a free account, just supply your email, first and last names, and a password. You can publish numerous articles, edit the materials, and submit the pieces to 3 different websites for payment using the might of Google and Google News. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.